Hello, this is Brian Hay. This is your video update for December the 1st, coming to you from Las Vegas, Nevada. Welcome to HandicapperStable.com, your #1 source for winning information. We've assembled the greatest sports handicappers in the world for you here at HandicapperStable.com. At the bottom of the page, make sure you check out our industry-leading loyalty program and 100% guarantee on every package and subscription you purchase from us here at HandicapperStable.com. Before I get to your comp play, I want to go over some fantastic records from our handicappers. I want to start in the NBA, where Chip Chirimbus is already up $2,230, and all these records are based on $100 per play. That's right. These records are a flat bet at $100 per play to offset any big star ratings that anybody might have. Makes everything equal. NBA, Chase Diamond is up $1,178. The Guaranteed Lock Club is up $816. Worldwide Sports is coming in at $790 plus for the season. And Rocket Man is sitting at plus 670 on the NBA season. Going over to the NHL, Sean Higgs, just crushing the NHL again, is up $2,577. At $100 a game so far in the NHL. $2,577 is what Sean Higgs is on the plus side. Tony Stofo is coming in at plus 856. Chris Jacobson is coming in at 753. And Worldwide Sports comes in at plus 449 in the NHL. Now for your comp play. Coming off a very easy winner last night on the Brooklyn Nets puts our comp play on a very nice run. We're now sitting at 8-4. 8-4. On the latest big run here for the comp plays. Tonight we're going to Brooklyn. Going to take Brooklyn. Brooklyn, I see across the board, is plus 3. Brooklyn plus 3 at home playing Phoenix. Listen, Brooklyn had a horrible start this year. They started the season 0-7. But after the 0-7 start, they have been playing a lot better, especially at home. Brooklyn has been able to win their last 3 home games. On the other side, Phoenix is just 3-4 on the road this season and 1-4 their last 5 games. At home, the defense has been playing outstanding. The Nets defense is only allowing 91 points in the last 3 home games, where Phoenix has allowed over 100 points in each of the last 3 games and are allowing 106 points on the road this season. Easy call here. Brooklyn, I believe, gets a straight-up win. Going with Brooklyn as your comp play. Brooklyn plus 3. As always, thank you for visiting HandicapperStable.com, and we'll see you tomorrow.